That's good.
It's super loud. All right. So what? Neck's killing you? Is it from work or is it from something else?
Yeah, no, it's just from me having my head down all day. Oh, that sucks.
Does that suck?
No, it's just when you hit my
Right there.
ridge. Yeah. Come on now.
Oh yeah, it's giving me goosebumps.
I know.
Okay, so when we get down here, we're gonna just do this. That's why I'm doing it. I'm bumping the mic with my hand the whole time. Anyway, go. Good. Just drop over here, mate.
That was good.
There's one. Yeah. Good. Relax. And breathe out.
That's what I told him the other day. I never like pin and stretch